Okay, well, we're out looking at the JAP, and I was looking at a picture of it a few nights ago, and I was looking at it and I was thinking, anyway, something's different here. The carburettor was on the flywheel side and the exhaust came through the flywheel side as well. So I have put the barrel on 180 degrees out. It should be on that side. Now, but here's the weird thing. When it's on, I must have put the I must have put the engine upside down as well, by the looks of it. I can't figure out how I've managed to do it, because the I think the flywheel, it used to sit on the mower like that, and I took a picture of it, and the flywheel was on this side because the petrol line, the tap was still on this side, but the flywheel and the carburettor was on this side, and the exhaust. So I've got to keep the barrel where it is now, but flip the engine 180 degrees, the block 180 degrees. That's probably why it's not running right. I couldn't get it to start at all. Just after Christmas I couldn't get it to start at all, because I was going to run it at the last crank up, but I could only get it to fire. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm almost getting it to, I don't know what the hell's going on. I think it's still exhausted out the right side, because all I need to flip the engine 180 degrees. It's really confusing. I need to flip the block 180 degrees and rotate the barrel 180 degrees that way. Or leave the barrel where it is. Well, leaving the barrel in the place where it is at the moment, but flipping the block 180 degrees, so the barrel's got to come off as well. Oh dear. This really is confusing. But we're going to have to try and do that now. I have to try and do that without getting the flywheel off, because I couldn't get it off last time. It's wedged in there, something rotten. I can get this off, or at least I could last time, so I should be able to do that again without too much of a problem. Silly about playing this engine, but it doesn't sound bad when it's running. It actually sounds quite nice. But we're going to try that now and see if we can get this little old gal running again. We shall see. Okay, I just used the little BSA to spin the JAP over with the spark plug out, and we do have what looks to be a fairly decent spark. The little BSA doesn't have enough grunt to try and actually start it off the belt. It just won't do it. I tried it last time and it just won't have it. But yeah. But we are going to attempt to start the JAP again, see what happens. Okay guys, the JAP started. Smoky as anything. See if we can get a board or something to try and run it on. Well, it sounds really nice. Needs to be bolted down. dab site. Moving about all over the place. You'll be able to grind some lawnmower blades using it. Oh, it's just died. Sure, perhaps. Nope, not out of fuel. Yeah, see if she'll start again. Spark plug seems to fail. Don't know why. That's actually jumping about a 20-pound gap now, that spark, and managing to run it. But the coil's reading nothing on the multimeter. So God knows how long she'll last. But not too worried about that. You could still pick up the little JAP coil. Somebody will have one if it fails. Gone past the elusive 20-minute mark now. Still no sign of the coil dying. Oh well. We'll call that quit. Shut it down. Stop at the top of the carburetor back on. So you can see the fuel level going down. There you go. Not bad. Not bad at all.